In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the WooCommerce API key. In order to do that, first head over and click on this Start Here option right here, or this Get Started option that you can see on your WooCommerce.com. From in there, you can actually create an account. Now, once you created an account, you can actually use it in order to log in to your WordPress, or you can use WordPress in order to create an account with WooCommerce. So you can also click onto this login in order to log into the account that you already have. Now here is my WordPress dashboard with WooCommerce installed. So in here, we just need to navigate to the WooCommerce, then hover right here to the settings and click on it. Now this will load in order to show us right here our settings. Now in here, just access the advanced settings by clicking onto this right here. And then from in there, you can see in here this. So we have in here this REST API. Click on this. And after that, you should be able to see this. Head over and click on this Create an API key. Once you have opened it, you can input the description for this as well as the users and also the permissions. It can be read, write, or read and write. So for example, let's input right here a description first. Click on this Generate API key. We will now have in here this consumer key, consumer secret, as well as your code. So you can actually just utilize this key right here and then just use it wherever you want it. So in here, you can actually allow it to record this, copy this immediately, and store them in secure location. This will be displayed and you will need these credentials in order to authenticate requests when interacting with WooCommerce REST API. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.